Watch how fast this blends. The Ninja Fit Blender. This thing is small and compact, but it has a 700-watt motor inside of it that'll blend through ice and frozen goods very easily. There's some pros and cons though. Let's talk about them real fast. So first off, this is a rad little blender. I've had Magic Bullets in the past. I've had other personal blenders that are handheld that you can bring with you, but this thing's nice because it's splitting the difference between the big blenders that you don't want to have on your counter space all the time because they take up a ton of room, and a little personal blender that you have to take with you, or like a Magic Bullet. Now, Magic Bullets and other things like that, they have only about 250 watts, 300 watt powered motors, which is not a lot. I haven't had a lot of luck with those blending ice very well without leaving chunks, or they get clogged up because you have too much powder or something else in the cup. This thing is a beast. Now, it works not by hitting a button, but by just pushing down. You can see how fast. And the unique aspect of the blade is something really cool too. Let me take that off and show you. Here in a second, I'll be blending this smoothie. I have a whole banana, about 6 to 7 frozen strawberries, and then some organic strawberry lemonade juice in there. It's a great summer treat, and it will turn this into a perfect smoothie. Now here's the blade. This is a very unique blade design. Most personal blenders and small little blenders like this, like Magic Bullets, have just like 1 or 2 of these blades, maybe 3. This one's got 6 different blades on here, and it definitely does the job. It does a great job of getting rid of large chunks of ice and large chunks of frozen fruits or vegetables inside your smoothies, and it also blends powders very well as well. I'm a huge fan of this blender style. It's also a very sleek looking device. It doesn't take up a lot of counter space, and it's not an eyesore. It's just a nice, small, compact personal blender that gets the job done. Another thing I like about it is the cups that it comes with are rad. They're perfect for cup holders. So other ones like Magic Bullets and things that are the competitors of this brand, their cups are rounded and kind of bulbous, and they don't fit in cup holders. It's very annoying. These fit perfectly. Another thing I like is around the lip of the mug, the threads are internal, not external. So as you're sipping off this, it's very smooth and your lips don't get caught on it. You don't, form a bunch of debris in there and makes it nasty. Another thing I like about it is the lids that come with this are very, very much leak proof. I don't know how many times I've had personal blenders and their lids just aren't satisfactory. They don't sit in place. They don't have a proper seal. These have proper gaskets in the lids. If you can see that right there, the gaskets prevent leakage, which is great. I've had these turn on their side and there's still no leakage. Obviously I wouldn't risk leaving on there intentionally, but it is a nice feature to have a leak-proof lid. Very easy to open, but still has enough snug snap on there that it won't spring open. So the only con I've seen about this is the lid. I wish it just snapped back. There's a little pressure point where it'll stay there, so as you're pouring, and most of the time it's good, but it'll flip forward. That's the only con. That's a very small con out of a lot of pros. So let's blend this smoothie and I'll show you what it looks like. So we're perfectly at the max fill line, just like that, screw it on. I'm just gonna set this onto the base, just like that. Watch how fast this blends. Just like that, you have a smoothie. It eats through things so fast. That's in real time. If you're looking for a good personal blender that doesn't take up a lot of counter space, that doesn't look bad at all, and gets the job done with a much more powerful motor than most that are this size, definitely check out the Ninja Fit Blender. This thing is rad. Absolutely love it. 100% yes. Go check it out.